Out of style, unraveling the meaning. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have heard before, to be out of style. It's a phrase that pops up in conversations about fashion, technology, and even ideas. So, if you've ever wondered what it means for something to be out of style, you're in the right place. Let's explore this together and make it crystal clear. The phrase, to be out of style, refers to something that is no longer fashionable, trendy, or considered attractive by the majority. This can apply to clothes, hairstyles, gadgets, or even ways of thinking. When we say something is out of style, it means it's not in line with current trends or preferences. For example, a type of clothing that was very popular in the 1990s might be considered out of style today. This doesn't mean it can't come back in fashion, but currently, it's not what most people would choose to wear. Things become out of style for various reasons. Fashion and trends are always evolving, influenced by cultural shifts, technological advancements, and even global events. What's considered stylish or desirable can change from one year to the next. In technology, for instance, a phone model might be out of style because newer models have better features, making the older ones less desirable. Similarly, in thinking, some attitudes or beliefs may become out of style as society progresses and adopts new values. Let's look at some examples to better understand the concept. Fashion. Bell-bottom jeans were a hit in the 1970s but became out of style in the decades that followed. Recently, they've made a comeback, showing how style cycles can bring old trends back into fashion. Technology. Flip phones were all the rage in the early 2000s but quickly fell out of style with the advent of smartphones. Ideas. Certain phrases or slang can also become out of style. Words that were common in past decades might now sound outdated or even inappropriate. Using out of style in a sentence is straightforward. Here are a few examples. Wearing oversized suits is considered to be out of style now. I can't believe flip phones are out of style. They were so popular when I was a kid. That type of humor is really out of style these days. And there you have it, a complete guide to understanding what it means for something to be out of style. Whether it's fashion, technology, or ideas, what's in style today might not be tomorrow. But who knows? It might just make a comeback in the future. I hope this video has shed some light on the phrase and perhaps even inspired you to think about the ever-changing nature of style. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.